Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another PC tutorial video here. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the latest version of Java for your Windows PC. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your browser here. And now on the search button, search Java, download and go. And here you can see the website oracle.com. This is their official website. Now click this Java download option here. And here you can see the different type of operating system for Java. As we are doing it for Windows, just click this Windows operating system. And here we have to download this 64 MSI installer, MSI Windows system installer. Just click this here. And as you can see, my download is already start, as I already download this, so I don't need another download. Now I go to my downloaded file here. And now this is the Java I downloaded. Just double click this one. And as you can see, it already started preparing installing. Just select next here. And this is the default path. I recommend you to keep it as a default. Just select next again. And it is preparing to install in my PC. Now select just yes here. And you have to wait 5 or 10 seconds to install this. And as you can see, my installation is finished. Just close this one. But after installing this, we have to follow 2 or 3 steps to make it completely installed in your PC. Now go to your search option here. Now here search environment, and you can see edit the system environment variable. Just click that option here. And now select the environment variable here. Here we have to give the path of our Java. So just select this path and click edit here. And just to get the path of your Java, just go to your PC, this PC here, and go to your C drive and select program files here. And now find Java. This is the Java file. And again select this JDK 20. And go to bin. And now let me expand it. Now click here on this search option. Just click here and select this path and copy it. Now close it. And here just select new and just paste this one. Paste the path that I already copied. Just click OK here. And now we have to give a new Java variable here. Just click this new option here and just give it a name, Java new, and then paste the path that we just copied. Just paste it and just remove this bin option here. Just remove it and leave it like this and select OK. And now click OK again and select OK. Now if you want to ensure that your installation process is successful, just go to your search option, type cmd here and select here. Just type here Java space dash and type version and press enter here. As you can see, my Java 20.0.2 is already installed and my environment is also set up. So my Java is successfully installed in my PC. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.